Hello guys, ayan, we just arrived here right now for our destination. So now we're resting in a few minutes, and then later we're gonna be going out. And it's sunny here in Toscana, very sunny in Toscana. So now we just arrived and we're resting a little bit. So we're visiting my father-in-law here together with my baby and my husband and I. So finally I can rest. So it's like 5 hours by car, but a little bit traffic, but not much. And then we did already arranging my baby crib for sleeping. So now we are here and resting. Thank you for watching.